Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
So, what is your preference? Lecture, games?
Games.
Okay, so we'll start right away. Okay. How many of you? Yeah. How many of you want to be an inventor and an innovator? All scientists are inventors and innovators, by the way. Yeah. You don't want to be? She is not very sure. Okay, very good. At least not sure is fine. Not sure is also somebody who can raise the hand. Not like this. Wonderful, yeah, all of you. Okay, so that's what we're going to do today. We're going to start thinking like an inventor. Yeah? Right? But through games. Completely games. Okay? And each one of those, I don't need this, right? Each one of those will ask and find out what we learned from that. Okay? That's all. Let's make this into full screen. And I need a couple of volunteers. So, we have some conditions to abide by. Right? So, keep your hands on your heart because it's coming from your heart. I'm going to fully cooperate. Tell along with me. I'm going to fully cooperate. Very good. I'm going to be highly interactive. And I'm willing to play. Wonderful. Okay, now we are ready. Okay? I'm going to hold you to this, okay? So when I ask for volunteers, how many will come? 38, right? Okay. So the first thing is I need 2 volunteers. And come. What I'm going to do is I'm going to distribute some plastic sheets. Don't do anything with that. I know our hands are itching, but don't do anything with that. My friends here, what's your name? Neeraja and Varishesh. Sarvesh are going to. What shall we call them? No. Rajani. Oh. Okay, so they are going to distribute 1 per sheet. Oh, sorry. 1 sheet per person. Okay, 1 sheet per person. Go ahead and take for yourself also. While they do that, I need 2 more volunteers. Okay, come. What will you do with this? Just wait till I instruct. Okay?
You take one for yourself.
Name? Maunam is always very good. Okay, distribute 1 per person. Go ahead. Where did I leave that? Okay. Don't do anything with that. Thank you. You already got? Wow, that's fast. Give them a hand. They did very well. Thank you. You took one?
Yeah.
Right, thank you. So all ready? Huh? What shall we do with this sheet?
Make an idea.
Very nice girl, no? Okay.
So we can polarize it and make it sunglasses.
We can polarize it and make
Sunglasses.
sunglasses. Go ahead. Run your imagination wild. Remember, we are going to be inventors, right? 3D glasses, okay. We can make an illusion with that, okay. Make it a hologram. Very nice kids here. Place like this for a mirror, okay. Come on.
We can make stickers.
Looks like there is no mischievous kid here. What is this, madam? Transparent plane. Very good. Blade. Like that, huh?
This kid has also.
James Bond blade. Okay. Ninja blade. Okay. James Bond is very old, correct? Yeah.
Sir, we can.
He's going to tell something. He's not going to tell something.
I'm gonna eat.
Munch it and taste it. How will it taste? It looks good on research, so you'll keep on watching. Huh? I love this sheet.
Sir, we can
Yeah.
cut it into smaller pieces for satisfaction.
You mean tear it?
Like ASMR.
Sir, what if we make a semi-permeable membrane for
See, my elder son was like you, very nicely doing things with that. Except some guy comes like this. My younger son made sure all the toys are broken. Yeah, go ahead. Huh?
So we can use this.
Tear it, huh?
Tattoos.
Tattoos.
So we can actually create the nitrogen out of this.
Look at it. There's a sound to it. Okay, how about tearing? Huh? Okay, I'll tell you how to do this, okay? You ready? Don't use the sheet, the paper, but the plastic sheet. Okay, you ready? Let me take a few. Okay. You have to hold very close to each other, the two fingers tightly, and then tear. Go ahead. See. Go ahead. You can do it. You don't have to jump. I'm jumping, but you don't have to jump. Oh, no. Tear it. Okay. I'll tell you a secret. Rub the edges. Wow. Rub the edges. Nicely. Make sure your fingers don't hurt. Rub the edges and then tear. Rub the edges and tear. Rub the edges and tear. Come on. Rub it. And then tear. See? Rub it. And then tear. Gone here. What is this? This fellow is doing something. All foils. What is this? Okay, volunteers come over. The ones who distributed the sheet. Two people are already done. See, all you have to do is just rub it nicely and then tear. Rub it lightly and then tear. Simple, yeah. Very, very simple. Nicely like this. Kaida valikida? Kaida rub panna kaida valikida. Okay. The volunteers who distributed plastic sheets, come over. we'll give them fresh ones because they're spoiled. It's like this here now. Yeah. Distribute this one. Some more sheets are there. This time, make sure you don't crumple it too much. Do like this and tear. Do like this. Do like this and tear. So simple. Do like this. Do like this. And then tear.
Are you holding the Sunday
Rub like this and then tear. I know.
The new papers are already cut.
Like that. You want a fresh sheet? Here. Fresh sheet.
Yes, sir.
Fresh sheet. Do like this and tear. And look at that. Hey folks. Yeah, folks. Many of you are right. I cheated you. In the first instance, I cheated you. Second time, I gave you something right, but for a reason. It's not about cheating. It's about learning. Okay? Huh? So now, chocolate questions. I have all kinds of chocolates. Okay, listen to me carefully. I'll ask the question. When you have to answer, you will raise your hand. I will pick who would answer. Clear? Yeah? What did you observe between the first and the second sheet? Pick. Oh my God. So many. Who shall we give? Okay. Yeah.
So there were slits in the second sheet so that we were able to like
There were
small,
cuts.
Yeah, small cuts.
Very good. Which chocolate do you want? Orange. Okay. She said there was cut in the sheets. Any other observation?
So, sir, this is a slightly different observation, but when I asked you to tear this sheet, you refused, but instead you tore these sheets.
I didn't refuse. I evaded. Yes, of course I have to evade. No, else you will find out that I cheated. No. Yeah, but that's an observation later. What other observation that you had? You should give us some.
Yes, sir, please.
Look at him, huh? Yeah. Who can give some more ideas? 1, 2. Now the number has come down.
The one with the slits was easier to tear.
Okay. That's ordinary. Come on.
The second one was thinner.
Second one, hey, you have a chocolate, you have to give it to me because it is not. Both are the same sheets.
I think it was made of different materials, like.
Keep your chocolate ready for me. Yeah.
So the first one we had to find a way, and the second one we had a way.
What way did
Like
you
slit.
slit? She already told.
We had
You
to
want
work
to add
hard.
something?
We have to work
Yeah,
hard for the
but
first, and we
yeah.
got that.
See, her observation is beautiful. There was slit. Anything additional that you observed? That's the question. Yeah, there is one more there.
Once you have a slit, it's just in the corner, right? So in a
I'm not asking for reasons. Only observation. Observation is clear now, right? He is wearing a striped shirt. Observation.
So you're toying with us again. There's no second difference.
There is a second difference.
Can you say that for this one, the thing was like,
The second one is like neater. This first one is not.
Both were neat.
no, after we cut it.
After you, you could easily cut. That's what you're saying. Yeah, but that's not an observation. I want you to observe what happened.
we were told to rub the sheet so that
Why did I?
we feel the slits in it.
Wonderful. She has to be given 2 chocolates. Two. Wow, she got 2 of them. Wonderful. See, I asked you to rub. I rubbed and I asked you to rub because wanted to locate where the cut is. Correct? You observed me and found that. Okay. Like she said, I evaded tearing the first piece. Yeah. What else? Any other observation? Wonderful. So we started having fun and we observed F, O. Okay. Now we'll go to the next stage. We'll advance to the next stage of the game where I want you to tell me why was the second one. By the way, how many cuts were there?
7.
Many cuts. Correct. That's another observation. Okay. Now, why was it that the second one was easy to cut?
We had a
Now, raise the hand and answer.
So the sheet being made out of polymers or of plastic, when there's a break in the polymers, it becomes easier to break the rest of the bonds.
Why?
So because you had already done part of the job of cutting it. So it was easier for us to continue cutting it. So
My question is, why is it that a small... The other observation that I wanted to see you people telling is that these cuts were very small. Why is it that a small cut was enough for me to easily tear? Is the question I'm asking. Wait. Somebody was not answered yet. You have an answer.
We had an easy start with the second one. We had a small cut and we gradually moved forward with it.
Why? Why is it that a small cut made it easy for us?
No, you could easily sense a small cut when we touch it. Like it did not be that big.
That's okay, that's observation. But why is it that a cut was so useful in easily tearing, which was a struggle
We
in
can find
the
at
first?
which point we should tear it.
Yeah. But why is a question for which you have a
I'm
clear...
not too sure.
This guy always wants to be right. Who asked you to be right?
Sir, okay, sir.
Ah.
Sir, when you are trying to tear the normal paper, there's no right place to tear it from. But when there's a cut already, like, there's a point where all the force is already applied.
Wow. So I'm going to give him 1 chocolate because he said, I need a force to cut. I need a force to tear. Right? The force was smaller in the... I'm translating his answer. Smaller in the second case.
Thank you.
Okay, very good. Go ahead. Why is it that a small cut was enough? I love you guys because you want to answer.
Sir,
Yeah, answer. It doesn't let me go near you. Yeah, go ahead.
So there is less pressure. But here we are applying the force in one point, so there will be more pressure.
Wow, okay, I'm going to give him and I'll explain to you. Kit Kat is good.
What is?
Okay, so what I want to know, so I'm going to tell you this. Rarely my wife allows me to go to kitchen because I'm a better cook. You understand, no? So last week she was away, so I had to cut vegetables. I looked around, I saw one blunt knife and one sharp knife. So I'm very clever, no? So I took the blunt knife and started to cut. I'm very strong. I'm a weightlifter. So I could cut easily. What is wrong with that? Why are you laughing?
You're correct.
Correct. You see, my friend is there. Yeah, I have all these friends. Yeah. He is also going to do the same thing, right? You know what?
Yes, sir. I'm also smart like you.
Still, you won't get chocolate. Yeah. So, what is your observation on that? I used a blunt knife to cut.
When you use scissors in the second case, we use scissors to slightly slip the edge of the paper.
Okay.
And the blade of the scissors is much sharper than our fingers.
Okay.
So the force is acting on a smaller cross section.
Wonderful. So, area. Take two of them. One of you said force was responsible for me to tear. What did I do in blunt knife? Right? Whereas my wife would come and she would cut. Because she was using? Why? So, now what we did, we figured out the understanding here went deeper. We said there is one quantity called force, the other quantity called cross-sectional area. Correct? When the force goes up, it is difficult to tear. No! Good. It's the other way. When the force goes up, right? And she had, such a force that she could tell, right? And when the cross section goes up, it's difficult to tear. Oh my God! Force goes up, it's easy to tear. Cross section goes down, oh my God! One is down, one is up. What shall we do? One is directly proportional, the other is inversely proportional, and therefore if I combine them together, yeah. Don't use pressure now, because we don't know what is pressure. But what we could have probably done is combine these two and said force, yeah. Or we use a word that starts with P, per unit. So, suddenly we have an understanding. If the force per unit area is high, then it's easy to tear. Supposing I give you steel sheets, I didn't bring it here, but steel sheets, thin steel sheets. Small cut is there. Will I need more force?
Yes.
Same thickness. What do we understand? Material what? Material what? Material's capacity to
Hold resistance.
hold together in respect to what?
Applied force.
Just now we figured out something.
To applied force per unit area.
Huh?
To applied force per unit area.
Yeah, for the applied force per unit area. Is this clear? So there is a capacity. Every one of us have a capacity to absorb. Every one of us have a capacity to withstand. Correct? Here it's a material. The material has a capacity to withstand. And I know if it is a steel material, it has a higher capacity compared to lower. To do what? To hold. Supposing it cannot resist, what happens to the material? Correct? And therefore, another understanding that we have now, I don't have to use this. Another understanding we have now is I can now define strength of a material. Strength of a material. How do I define? Capacity, resist, force per unit area. Wonderful. So you understood now. You started with having fun. You observed, okay, small cut, right? Sharp, small cut was enough. And if I apply more force, it's easy to tear. If I reduce the cross-sectional area as in the edge of the cut, it is easy to tear. And then the material. I understood now. Started with F, O for, U for. Now comes an interesting part. F, O, U are done. Okay? This is also a chocolate question. I will not take the entire thing. Okay? What I want you to do is, you have now an understanding. Correct? Great understanding. Right? Though I cheated you, you got an understanding now. My question now is, where all do you see this phenomenon happening or being done?
So the capacity or force per material?
I don't know. All put together. Make it simple, daily life application. Yeah. Too much. Daily life. Huh? Wow, see, he deserves. Give me a hand here. Look at this. They are serrated. When I was a kid, this serration was not there. Oh, thanks. Thanks, Ranjan. Give him a hand because he helped. So when I was a kid, we had to go search for a pair of scissors. Or when nobody's seeing, use our teeth. But the fact of the matter is, somebody noticed that we had some difficulty. Our parents would not want us to use sharp edge, correct? Right? And therefore, they said, okay, let me now make something. It could have been because of competition. They invented a cover where there was serration. You don't need any more? Sharp edge. You can choose now. You look at that fellow, he's looking at everything. Searching. He doesn't find. There you go. Okay. Very good. One over. Tick.
It can be used in woodpeckers because that's right there.
Okay, so what you're saying is a sharp pin. That's something very similar to the knife, sharp knife and blunt knife. Okay.
I was about to say about pens, sir, and also
Hmm.
we were so the regular shows and then PLs, right? So PLs have lesser to surface area, cross-section surface area, but shoes have greater cross-section.
So what? So what? Almost there, but she didn't
In
answer.
some knives, we will have that corrugated.
Where?
In some knives, in axes.
Wow! It's called? Anybody knows?
Serration.
It's called Jingshu knife. Very good. Very good. I'm very excited about the answers you're giving.
So actually, bags are there, sir. So if the strap of the bag is thin, we can't hold much weight in it. For example, having this ID card has a thin strap. If I put a brick in it, it will tear because it can't withstand all that force.
So
but
what?
Since shoulder bags, like they have large straps, they can carry heavier things, therefore withstand more force you put into it, sir.
Very good.
So desert animals like camels, they have large feet, so that they don't sink into the sand. Because the pressure they apply, because the area is large, the pressure they apply is very less.
What doesn't break there?
The contact between the feet and the sand surface is not
sink inside.
Doesn't sink inside. Quickly. Okay. Next time I'm going to ask you to close your eyes. Okay. This case is not answered.
IITs, when you bite it,
Yeah, but that's like the sharp knife that I talked to you about. Something different.
Hammer and a nail.
Again, it's a sharp object that we are talking about. We already discussed that.
Canine teeth.
Again, that's what he said. Wait.
Sir, so they use.
I can't.
Sir, they use very small bits of water to cut steel and stuff. But if we use a larger stream of water, it won't, because we need to apply a lot of pressure.
So, similar to the strap that she told, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Something else. That's all over, is it? Come on. We had an understanding.
The insect which floats on water doesn't break the surface.
Yeah, very similar. The idea is similar to what they said, camel, etc. Shoe, she said something but did not expand properly. Oh, okay.
So in heels we have smaller cross-sectional area.
So
So you have to like apply a lot of force in order to like, lesser force in order to like get this.
Why would you want lesser force there? Enough force is there.
There's pressure on your heel, so it will.
Yeah, but see, that's a fashion here. Something else people use in shoes.
Shoes, I don't know. The railway tracks.
Railway tracks, not quite. It doesn't connect completely. Yeah, it's about bearing pressure, which many of us have already answered in a way. Something else about shoes?
The sole.
Okay. Yeah, more specific a shoe that you can think of. Huh? Spikes. Okay, yeah. No, you have to close your eyes. Okay, spikes, very good. Wait. I didn't get anything from you. Okay. With chocolate, you share with them. Yeah, go ahead. Notice, there are so many things that you would have noticed. No, it's daily life, yeah. Just make it simple in daily life. Tires, threads, I've already given you, right? Okay. Yeah. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. So, sir,
How come some of you are not answering?
you mentioned something
Wait,
about
somebody else who has not answered. Too many chocolates for you. I already answered. Oh, okay, go ahead.
What about the wings of birds? Like they have area, and because of the force of the air, they.
That's what. So that was covered in a way. Right? Some other distinct application. Wait. There. Staplers. Okay, I'll give you. Okay. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah.
The streamline shape, I mean,
Yeah, you're digressing now. Yeah. Make it simple. Again, those are examples, but partial examples.
Like meat tenderizers when you're cooking meat, right? Then there are something.
Again, those are indirectly connected to our understanding here. Right? We can expand the understanding. Yeah.
So children start to crawl before they start to walk. That's because they feel an expression.
Again, these are partial answers, partially connected answers. Partial chocolate is like this.
It's quantized, everyone wants something.
Yeah, go ahead. I'm expecting a lot more.
I have one related capacity.
So,
If it's like too large, it's hard to put. A lot of pressure is required for you to write one word.
yeah, but how is it related to strength, failure? Right? Those are important for us. No.
I'm going to expand on what you said, but when you have a sharper pencil, it's more easier to break because it's more pressure.
Correct. But again, that's something that we have answered in a particular way. Is there anything specific that you noticed where it was an invention? It was an innovation. Injections, all the short ones like injection, all the syringes, etc., etc. Fan. How is it related? Where is it breaking? I don't know.
If it cuts the air, if it has sharp edges, we get more air.
Not really, actually. Yeah, we'll come to it. There are so many things that are there. You already answered the striped, the serrated chocolate.
Army tanks.
You're going somewhere. Army tanks, bridges. Daily life, yeah. Just use dial.
Armor piercing phonetic.
Oh my
Give me a break. All of you, every one of you in this room has that with you right now. I have two sharp knives to attack. Yeah. Names again, see, it's the sharp edge. No, we already talked about knife. Something more that you observe. Huh?
F1 cars.
Huh?
Because their tires, like normal cars, they are they have indents in them, so they can come to green ground. But for F1 cars, since they don't drive in the rain, they have flat surface to have to service it to drive.
No, there is a traction that comes into picture. We'll discuss that separately. It has no connection to this. Yeah. Huh? Yeah. See, make it simple here. Daily life, everyday life. There are so many things.
So paper is easy to tear from the.
Wonderful, yes. Just the sheet of paper, you have, what do you call that? See? Perforated sheet, that's what he is talking about. Easy to tear. Now tell me one more like that. See, the person who invented that, right, wanted you to tear it nicely, right? And that invention fetched him, fetched her, double. Yeah. Yeah.
In soda bottles, we have this kind of bottom so that the area increases and it doesn't reverse.
I was excited when he said soda bottle, but he changed it.
Soda bottle. Wait, no, I was going to say that.
You can have one.
The pop tabs of soda bottle. You Coke can, how do you open it? There is a slide cut already made. Very similar to ours, correct? Now you are observing, you are noticing. Again, it's a sharp edge. Something more, where it was possible for the inventor to sell. Huh? Zip is also a good example. It's a reversible. Right? Very good. Now you are talking. I'm now seeing more energy. Tap. Bottle closing, opening, yeah. The fresh water, drinking water bottle, how do you open it? Correct? Yeah? Right. There will be small holes there. So when you open it. Alright. What else? One last one. Huh? Toothbrush. Yeah.
So the glasses, the resting place is always thicker than the rest of the paint.
So what?
The force per unit area is not that much. Larger area.
Yeah, so that larger area was covered. Think that an inventor comes up with this and able to mint money. Shares, okay.
In fire sprinklers, the glass ampoules that are designed to take a specific temperature.
What shall we call them as?
I don't know.
Actually, it's not that. How many of you have watched the fire, what do you call that?
Firemen.
Huh?
Firemen.
No.
Fire alarm.
Fire extinguisher, that's called something.
Non-fireworks.
Yeah, anyway, so there you have a pin. Huh?
Oh, okay. Yeah.
You have a pin that has to be broken open. We call it as fuse. Right? The moment the strength is exceeded, it will break by itself. Right? Okay. Very good. So it was nice. Every one of you, almost every one of you, got a chocolate. Also answered. But there are no chocolates, which means what? So we started with fun. What for fun? F for fun. O for U for N for notice in applications. Notice in daily life. Right? F for O for U for N for and what will be the last letter? D is not for donkey.
I invent something it.
What is that?
No, there's no founding. It's found.
Design.
Decide. Discover. Very good. Discover. So no chocolate. Wait. Now, when you discover, so you noticed applications, you understood what it is. Now you are ready to invent, right? What do? You discover something new, and therefore you patent it. You get a lot of money. All right? Okay. Shall we try a couple of examples to see whether you are there already or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So let's see. Yeah. Anyway, we'll skip that bunker feature example. Discover fresh shoes. You ready? No, you're not ready. Okay. So close your eyes till we finish this. Okay. One sample. So this is about ease of using sellotape. So I had to do something at the attic. I climbed the ladder, went there with the sellotape. I now opened the sellotape, but it could not tear. How many of you felt like that? Many of you, right? Right? Wait. Listen to me first. So I called out to my wife and said, can you bring me a sharp edge? She brought it and I cut it. But the other day I did not have my wife helping me. Which means I had to get down all the way, find the thing and go up. The ease at which I wanted to do was gone. Correct? Right? Now you are the inventors. How do I do it with the gain knowledge? I don't have scissors. Don't answer now. Wait. Miss. That's what you do all the time, no? Two hands. Okay. All right. But good. Good. Keep it that way when you come to college. None of my students raise their hand. Because what will others feel? Like him. Now you see, he wants to raise the hand. Okay. Now, having gained this knowledge, what is the knowledge? Force per unit area matters, right? In matters. Correct? Alright. I'm an inventor. I want to invent something so that this guy, Shiva, who went up there, did not have to face this. One of the inventors came up with a dispenser. I know you would say this because that's something I already noticed, which means I can't sell the idea again. I want to sell a new idea. Okay. So do one thing. You are a group now. Discuss among yourselves and tell me why idea that I can use so that I can now freshly sell that idea to make money.
You want an idea that's non-existent? There is an idea.
Go ahead, talk now. Discuss among I don't see any animation.
But it's as good as so that's as good as
So whenever you are in discussion, when I say freeze, you will all stop, okay? Unfreeze.
increasing the area. He's putting it on the angle and the door will walk out. But then you need, then you choose one.
Okay, freeze. Any group has an idea. Just raise your hand. If your idea is not correct, you will give the chocolate back to me. All the groups have an idea. So I will hear out all the groups' ideas. If it's a secret, you can tell me in my ear.
Same idea for everybody.
Not exactly. Yeah, not exactly. Like toilet paper, they have like this.
You in between. You give back your chocolate. What chocolate you give? You don't have it.
Hey, you know what? Folks, you know what? Give all of yourselves a hand. This is the first time I heard every one of you coming in with either a serration or equal interval cuts at the edges. Of course, some of you were talking about paper napkins, but paper napkins are of regular lengths, right? But if it is serration like this, which are minute, what you get is already available now. He's minting money. It's called easy tear tape. Nowadays people buy easy tear tape instead of the regular tape so that it's possible for them to dispense completely with any other additional tool in order to tear. Okay? So the other day when I was driving my old car, I noticed that there was a small crack at the edge of my windshield. Like this. I was wondering, oh my God, it's going to now completely break. So what do? I went to the mechanic. The mechanic had a beautiful idea. Replace the entire thing. He's very expensive. This one is very expensive. Discover. Buy a new car. She is the best businesswoman you can have. Idea.
Some sort of filler or glue or something like that.
Filler or glue, very good. Folks.
Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.